Welcome to the DK2 OPS240 Log Splitter tutorial. In this segment, we'll cover the assembly and maintenance tips to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your machine. Regular maintenance is the best way to ensure the performance and longevity of your log splitter. Always consult the manual provided and the engine manufacturer's user manual for detailed maintenance procedures. Before conducting any maintenance or inspection, follow these safety precautions. First, stop the engine and allow all parts to cool completely. Next, disconnect the spark plug wire and be sure it's kept away from the spark plug. You are now ready to start maintaining your splitter. Grease is a log splitter's friend. Grease the rack teeth, pinion, and spline with standard grease regularly. The rack and pinion should be greased before every use. Keep the log beam clean and free of grease during operation. The ram slides on a Teflon plate, so ensure it stays clean from grease and wood particles. Periodically, recheck all assembly components, ensuring all nuts and bolts are securely fastened to guarantee safe operation. For engine service, refer to the Kohler engine manual for detailed instructions on maintenance procedures. The bearings on your splitter are sealed units and should have sufficient lubricant for the machine's lifespan with normal use. And lastly, regularly inspect the machine in its entirety and make sure to check your belts and pulleys for any signs of wear or potential damage. By following these assembly and maintenance tips, you can ensure your DK2 OPS240 log splitter continues to deliver top-notch performance for years to come. Our dedicated customer service team and support technicians are here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Forge your own path with DK2.